Hi everyone, welcome back so quickly. This is not like us to upload so soon after we've just uploaded a video, but we felt that we had to share this with you. This, as a home office business, has been a complete game changer, and it was by pure coincidence, by a series of events, that we stumbled across this product, and we want to share it with you and why it's been a complete game changer. I am in a minute going to go outside and show you one of the reasons that made us use this product. So here we are, folks. I hope you can hear me with the background of the noise from the road. This is one of the reasons why we decided to jump ship and move over to 3 Mobile. So we're going to walk away from the road and hopefully you can hear me. So that was one of the reasons that we jumped ship. The other reason was, as a family, our lads like to play a lot of online games. We also like to stream films, yada yada yada, it all goes on. Another reason was we look at our costs every now and then, and hope everyone does. And we realised that we were being charged, how much? 45?
Close to £50.
50 quid a month from BT Openreach. So we decided to contact them. And the belligerent attitude of them was actually quite outstanding. We have been a loyal customer of BT Openreach for God knows how many years, and it was a straight no. No discount for loyal customers, only for new customers. So, sort of a bit of a red rag to a bull to me, and to you really. It was just really rude. So we decided, because we'd seen it on various ads and everything that pop up on your phones, that 3 home broadband SIM was now in our area. So you contacted them, didn't you?
Yep.
And what were they like?
Very pleasant to deal with. Yes, sir. We can supply you with high-speed broadband.
So before we made the move with BT Openreach, we all know that they're doing the fibre rollout, but where we live, there is still no confirmed date. So what were our speeds?
From BT, we were getting just under 40 megabit per second, with an upload of about 6.5 megabit per second. Latency time of about 10 milliseconds.
So we have now jumped ship with the lovely 3. Customer service was absolutely fantastic. And what are we getting now?
At the last
Because
speed
let me just
test,
point out, actually, you clocked also, didn't you, the reason why we did jump at that point. Because when we were switching over to mobile data, it kept coming up as 5G within the house, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, no, that's right. You phoned them a few months ago and they went, no, it's not available just yet.
Yeah.
And then something popped up on your phone, because as it does with the cookies and stuff,
Yeah.
3 then popped up, and you gave them a call and they went, actually, yes, you can, now available in your area. So what are we actually getting?
At the last speed test, we were getting close on a gigabit, but it averages out round about 400 at the moment.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to work our way back, and we're going to show you the speeds that we're actually getting. I mean, it's actually been a godsend, to be quite honest, because working late at night when the lads are streaming or playing online gaming and I'm trying to upload video, it was creating a bit of uproar. So let's cut the video here because there's loads of background noise, it's rush hour, and let's go and have a look at the unit and the speeds that we're getting. So Spike, what are you doing?
Right, my telephone is showing the average speed I'm getting from BT, and your computer is showing the average speed you're getting from 3 Mobile.
It's just a win-win if you want to save a few pennies and obviously increase the speed there. Wowzers. What a BT loss. So it's autumn, we are October, it's sunny outside, but we've come back inside just to have a look at the unit. What I'm actually really grateful of, it's a nice stylish white unit, and Three have thought about this and lumped their name on the top rather than all over the side of it, so it sort of blends into your living room quite nicely. So Spike, can you just tell me those buttons there on the side, please?
Okay, starting at the top, we have the power light.
Yep.
Moving down, we have internet connection light.
Yep.
Mobile signal strength.
Yep.
Wi-Fi light.
Yep.
WPS button.
Yep.
Underneath is where the SIM card goes.
Yep. And I know you've got to cover some bits up on the back for our own security, but what is on the back? Do you want to put those over there? Yeah.
So what we have here is an external aerial connector, and you can switch that to internal or external. So if it's not strong enough indoors, I believe Three can provide you with external antennas. Put that back on there, he says.
Don't worry about it, we'll do that later.
You've got a couple of Ethernet ports. One can be used as a hardwired backup port, hence it's marked WAN LAN. You have a typical output port onto your network for wired devices. You've also got the USB port to plug in printers, memory sticks, power button and power socket.
Right, thank you very much. So go get it, save yourself some pennies. We have been blown away by this. Positively glowing review for Three Mobile, and yeah, we'll leave it there. Cheers guys.